Everybody, this is Jennifer from Jentle Soaps, and today I'm going to show you how I make my scrubby maize dough. So it's a body scrub and it's soap and it's whatever you want it to be. You can even use it as a facial mask. You just have to alternate the ingredients so it's got more skin loving products in it. It can also be used for a kid's soap dough as well. It doesn't dry out as fast, but it does get crumbly. So it's not the best one for molding, but it's super awesome and it feels great on the skin. So come on with me while I show you how to make a corn-based maize bubble dough.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy.